This is Tajamul Adil. Your dashcam is more than just a safety device. Interested to learn more? It can be used for a variety of different purposes beyond just capturing a footage while driving. I will talk about 5 creative and practical ways to utilize your dashcam for everyday tasks and even unexpected opportunities. So let's jump into it. The incredible ability of dash camera that it can record breathtaking scenes while driving. I have traveled to different cities while driving. It captured breathtaking scenes. So take a look. Are you prepared for unexpected? When it counts most, the dash camera captures crucial moments in emergencies, providing you the most convincing evidence. Dash cameras are quite helpful since they can capture photos. Interesting feature, right? In today's unpredictable world, the dash camera is not a luxury, it's a necessity. The greatest benefit of dash camera that it can provide evidence in case of accident. One of my favorite features is that the high-tech dash camera can record everything while parking. Watch the real-life examples. I have recorded some crazy moments of reckless driving in our daily lives. Ultimate 4-channel 4K dash camera, it can record crystal clear footage all sides of the car. Watch the real-time video footage. In this video, I have showcased some of the useful features which you can record while driving. Additionally, it can capture everything on the road, including the parking zone and in case of any accident. If you are interested to buying a 4K dash camera, I have included a buying links in the video description. Also, if you are interested to learn about Apple CarPlay or Android Auto call screen, then click on this video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in this video.